Hello everyone. And today we have a review on Fitbit Charge 4. Use built-in GPS to see your pace and distance on screen during outdoor runs, rides, hikes and more, and see a workout intensity map in the app that shows your heart rate changes along your route. With active zone minutes, feel a buzz when you reach your target heart rate zones during exercise, and celebrate when you earn extra minutes outside of exercise. Use 24/7 heart rate to track resting heart rate and better measure calorie burn. Syncing to mobile devices requires Bluetooth LAN internet connection. Syncs with Mac OS X 12.2 and up, iPhone 5s and later iPad 5 Gen. And later Android 7.0 and later. See your SPO nightly average and range on wrist, and view trends over the past week in the Fitbit app. SPO is not available in all markets. The SPO feature is not intended to diagnose or treat any medical condition or for any other medical purpose. Track your skin temperature each night to see how it varies from your personal baseline. Not available in all markets. Only available in the Fitbit app and only displays variation. Not intended for medical purposes. Track workouts in real time with 20 goal-based exercise modes. It has also SIM-proof and water-resistant to 50 meters, so you can track swims, wear in the shower and more. Multi-day battery lasts up to 7 days and up to 5 hours when using built-in GPS. Varies with use and other factors. Track sleep stages and review your in-app sleep score for an easy way to see how well you slept. I recommend. Price $98. For today everything. I hope you liked the review. Subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.